Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about the Maths chapter Bank and Simple Interest of Standard 7th. First, we will learn what is bank. Bank is a government recognized institution that carry out transaction of money. Bank is seen in our society, cities. We have different type of banks like state banks, national bank and international bank like Punjab National Bank and State Bank of India. Then international banks like HDFC, IDBI and many other. In bank we have different type of account like current account, saving account, recurring deposit account, fixed account. As you open an account in a bank, we receive bank kit. In that we have passbook, checkbook, ATM card and bank upcoming detail like about net banking, mobile banking and locker facilities in the bank. We also got the facilities like ATM. ATMs are two types, credit and debit cards. ATM card, as you know, it is a automatic teller machine. The card which is used to withdraw a cash without going to the bank. Credit card or debit card is used to carry out transaction without cash. You can use this card in different places like malls, petrol pumps, in shopping malls and all, in medicals, in different places. It is a very helpful source in today's life. These facilities you can get only when you request to a bank. In your bank, if you keep your saving in the bank, then the bank will provide you interest based on principal in your bank account. For this, we should have some knowledge about it. Let's learn some formula based on it, which is very important. You must know about it. First formula, amount equal to principal plus interest. Second formula, interest equal to principal into rate of interest into time upon 100. Whereas P equal to principal, T equal to time of year, R equal to rate of interest, A equal to amount. Let's see some example. Here we have an example as if Rihanna deposits rupees 1500 in the school saving bank at 9% per annum for 2 years, what total amount will she get? Let's see the solution of the above sums. Principal rupees 1500, rate of interest 9% per annum, time for 2 years, interest we have to find out with the help of the formula, and amount. Interest equal to P into R into T upon 100, that is equal to 1500 into 9 into 2 upon 100. When we cut 0 from 100 and 1500, we get the sum as 15 into 9 into 2. Answer will be 270. Now we have to find out amount. Amount equal to P plus I, that is 1500 plus interest we got as 270. Addition of both is 1770. That is amount is 1770. Here the answer statement will be Rihanna will get rupees 1770. Remember, a passbook is issued for saving bank and a recurring deposit account. Amount deposit, withdrawal and the balance are recorded in it with their dates. In today's session, hope you have learned new things. If it is a really important information to you all and really helpful, please like and subscribe my channel for new upcoming learning videos.